Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Nicole Heininger with interior design studio EST Collective. In today's video, I am taking you inside the industrial loft showroom, office, and production studio of luxury ceramic brand Dumae. Located in downtown LA's Arts District, it's one of my favorite sources for timeless, handcrafted ceramics. As always, we will begin by giving you a quick tour of the space, and be sure to stick around until the end where I reveal my top 5 pieces from the space to make the EST list. All right, let's go inside and take a look around. Dumae is a renowned luxury ceramic brand based in Los Angeles, celebrated for its exquisite craftsmanship and innovative designs. Each piece is mindfully made, ensuring unique variations that make every product a one-of-a-kind modern heirloom. The brand's multi-purpose space not only serves as a retail gallery, showcasing their finished pieces, but also houses their corporate office, design and production studio, and shipping facility, all under one roof. As you step into the front of the house, you enter the retail shop, which displays a wide range of products in their collection. The items are showcased in sophisticated neutral finishes, and the space is open by appointment only, offering an intimate in-person experience. The brand's collections feature a limited yet elegant color palette, primarily focusing on shades of white and terracotta, which enhance the purity and sophistication of their designs. One standout aspect is how the team merchandises shelves in single color stories, adding to the aesthetic appeal. Moving through a pair of sliding glass doors, you find the offices and creative think space, complete with a comfortable seating area and another beautiful display shelf showcasing my favorite pieces from their La Femme collection. This collection, inspired by the founder's journey to the south of France, features handcrafted pieces with soft curves and graceful forms that embody femininity and timeless elegance. Dumae also offers the bespoke Kodo place setting, ideal for both everyday dining and special occasions. If you appreciate a handcrafted aesthetic, I highly recommend this beautifully designed set. Adjacent to this space is a table displaying prototypes of their holiday collection. Introducing New Year black and metallic bronze glazes and some creative new shapes, including a unique organic ceramic wall sconce. A nearby mood board plays an integral role in forming this collection, offering insight into the creative process. Here you can truly appreciate the unique character of each piece, all crafted with a perfectly imperfect aesthetic that distinguishes them in the world of luxury ceramics. Each one stands as a modern heirloom, showcasing Dumae's commitment to exquisite handcrafted design. The production studio, visible through another set of sliding glass doors, is where each piece is handcrafted. During our tour, artists were working on various pieces, including the Alana wall piece, an organic accent sculpture from raw noir clay and adorned with recycled dyed silk. Using a cardboard template to carefully trim the clay, the artist meticulously shapes the piece to its intended silhouette, ensuring precision and uniformity in the design. Another artist was crafting beads for Dumae's decorative Celeste necklace and forming rings in various sizes. We are told the necklace was inspired by the intricate knots and beads of French fishermen. The studio, reminiscent of my high school ceramics classroom, is equipped with all the necessary tools for ceramic creation, from clay and slab rollers to kilns and ample workspace. There are also plenty of racks for staging pieces in various stages of completion. The adjacent space houses the shipping facility where all products are packaged for shipment. Walking the racks and seeing the collections en masse is a treat, as each piece, while similar, is distinctly unique, underscoring their one-of-a-kind nature. To conclude our tour, we must take a moment to appreciate the remarkable architecture of the Arts District's industrial lofts in downtown LA, characterized by their rustic brick walls and exposed dome wood ceilings. These structures, originally built as warehouses, factories, and storage facilities during LA's rapid industrialization in the early 1900s, were known for their sturdy construction and expansive spaces. Today, they've been beautifully repurposed into lofts, offices, retail spaces, and art galleries. Their preserved architectural features not only offer a glimpse into LA's industrial past, but also provide inspiring spaces that perfectly complement the aesthetic of the Dumae brand. This harmonious blend of old and new encapsulates the essence of our setting and enhances the beauty of Dumae's creations. It's been a pleasure showing you around this incredibly inspiring space and introducing you to one of my favorite brands. Now that we've thoroughly explored, it's time for me to select my top 5 pieces from this space to make the EST list. Coming in at number 1 is the Amelia vase from Dumae's La Femme collection. Capturing the essence of the founder's journey to the south of France, it is elegantly crafted with soft curves and a refined opening, adding a touch of femininity to any space. Each piece is handcrafted in Los Angeles, ensuring unique variations in color and design, making every Amelia vase a one-of-a-kind modern heirloom perfect for elevating and brightening your home. Coming in at number 2 is the Charlize vessel. Echoing the serenity of the natural world with its organic curves and subtle undulations reminiscent of gentle rippling sands. As one of the collection's grandest offerings, it dominates any interior with its sophisticated elegance. With every detail meticulously crafted, the Charlize vessel brings a touch of refined artistry and modern luxury to your living space. At number 3, the Giselle bowl, available in both large and small sizes, stands out in Dumae's collection for its sculptural form and artistic presence. This versatile piece, whether displayed alone or as part of a set, infuses any interior with elegance and sophistication, transforming spaces into showcases of refined design. Fourth in line, the Helen candle holder reinterprets traditional design with its elegant organic curves and sophisticated scallop detailing. More than functional, it enhances any tablescape with its distinctive artistic flair, perfect for cultivating a sophisticated ambiance and introducing modern elegance into any setting. Rounding out the top 5 is the Stella vase from Dumae's La Femme collection. Its crescent opening, mirroring the natural contours of the French Riviera, showcases simplicity and elegance. Celebrated for Dumae's rigorous attention to detail, this vase brings a refined beauty to any space, reflecting the timeless charm and exquisite craftsmanship Dumae is known for. And that wraps up our tour of this multi-purpose space. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this in the future. Your support means the world to me and helps us continue exploring amazing places. From all of us here at EST Collective, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next tour.